On which date did the merger of Dena Bank, Vijaya Bank and Bank of Baroda take place? April 1st, 2019. Who has won the 2019 Pulitzer Prize in the category of music? Ellen Reid. How many times did Benjamin Netanyahu got elected as the Prime Minister of Israel? 5. In which category of freestyle wrestling did Bajrang Punia win the number 1 spot? 65 kg men's freestyle wrestling. Which organization has issued the February 12 circular in 2018 for resolution of stressed assets? RBI. Which country was the guest of honor at the Abu Dhabi International Book Fair 2019? India. Who has conceived the idea of Integrated Guided Missile Development Program? APJ Abdul Kalam. Which country has topped the 2019 Cancer Preparedness Index released by the Economist Intelligence Unit? Australia. Which neighboring countries of India has recently launched their first satellites into space? Nepal and Sri Lanka. Who has become the first woman cricketer to score 2000 runs in 2020 internationals? Mithali Raj. Where did the 2019 joint military exercise between India and Singapore, Bold Kurukshetra, take place? Jhansi. Who is the head of the court appointed Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid case mediation process? Justice Muhammad Ibrahim Khalifullah. Templeton Prize is related to which subject? Spiritual dimension of life. To commemorate whose birth anniversary is the International Nurses Day observed on 12th May? Florence Nightingale. Who is the chairman of the 21st Law Commission of India? Justice Balbir Singh Chauhan.